Greetings my friends, you already know NTrade here, back with another video, and today I have a brand new tool for you to add to your arsenal. And this tool, just like all of my other tools, are aimed to make trading more accessible and easier for you and help you generate profit consistently. And this is not a fully fledged tool like, for example, the Nexus Vision, but rather much something simpler, but still something that will help you make money consistently. And this is exactly what we're aiming for. But if you want to trade with me, if you want to use this tool or many of my other tools, make sure to click the link in the description below, become a member of my team, or simply reach out to me on Telegram at NTrade_pro. But now let's go into the market and let me show you what I got for you today. Let's go. Alright, so how to use this tool? It's very simple. Install it into your Google Chrome browser. It's an extension, so everybody can get it from the Google Chrome store. And after that, you just plug it in, you press on it, it launches inside the pocket option, you go onto pocket option, and that's it. You press chart, it will tell you to select an area without indicators. So for example, we're going for this area right here, we press scan, and there you go, we get a sell position. So I'm gonna place 3,000 on this trade, and we have a scenario here. Put scenario, price cannot hold the upper zone, red reaction appears after the pullback, downside is stronger now. So we have a clear sell position, and I'm going to double down here on a trade because I believe that we are indeed going to see a rejection that is going to be stronger, and we also have a quality signal. So it's 75 out of 100. You can see it says right here that the quality of the signal is high. So we are not only placing the trades based off sell or buy. You should absolutely pay attention to how the quality of the signal is. If it's high, this is probably going to be a great signal for you. There's also medium. If it's medium, you can also decide for yourself whether or not you want to do an enter on that trade. And if it's low, absolutely skip it and don't trade on it, and that is also fine. You want to find a system that works for you even with this tool. But another thing is, please make sure to read whatever this tool is giving you in form of an analysis, right? You don't want to just blindly follow. This is also an educational tool, so you absolutely want to read what analysis it provides you with. And we pretty much just hit a full-on trading session here and got all of the money that I needed for the day. However, I do want to do another trade because I want to show you that it also works on real market. So here we are on Great Britain pound United States dollar. I'm going to select this area, press scan, and I have a medium signal. So I'm gonna place smaller amount because I want to make sure that I'm not overextending, that I'm not putting more, because this quality of a signal is medium. So I want to make sure that I'm protected. And it says the right side of the chart shifts lower, red candles are more active than green candles. There is a working downside direction. So we do have still a downside, we do have a sort of correction here, so it might actually work out for us as we got a strong and rapid move to the downside here. So hopefully this does put us ahead again. But as you can see, this tool really analyzes the chart on the fly. It is analyzing the selected area, so whatever area you select, you also get a candle count. So you have everything inside pocket option right now, and this is another one of those tools that will really enhance your trading experience. And just like that, we are already making over an $8,000 literally within minutes being in the market. And let's actually do another one because I want to prove to you that this tool is actually all that. And will this tool lose? Absolutely. But this tool is not only giving you, and pay attention here, this tool is not only giving you buy or sell signals, it also tells you when to wait. So for example, right here it says movement looks choppy, this area is poor for short entry, skip. So we're skipping this chart because the robot advises us to skip. So let's go back to real market and do this area right here. Select, scan, 73 candles. We are entering a sell position with 2,000 because it's high quality, but it's 78 out of 100, so it's pretty close to medium, but we're still going to trust this. Price cannot hold the upper zone, red reaction appears after the pullback, downside is stronger now. So we're gonna place 2K here. I'm gonna see how this goes. We might actually see a green candle as we see a little bit of pullback here, again starting to move, but we still have 34 seconds on this candle, and on with a 1 minute time frame, everything can change really rapidly. So you have to pay attention to when you're entering. If you want the cleanest analysis, make sure to do it right as the candle opening or close to the closure of the previous candle. It's gonna be much better than doing it in the middle. Again, this is up to you, what works for you, but this tool will provide you with analysis. This tool will provide you with an access to easy trading. And there you go, we're done with the trading session. We hit a massive win streak right here. We got a massive win streak right here, not a single loss. It took us 4 minutes in the market. We hit real market, we had OTC market, boom, just like that. We make over $10,000. So if you want to trade with this, check it out. It is available already for everybody right now. Again, this is just an extension for the Google Chrome, so you don't really need anything else. Get it for yourself, educate yourself how to trade, educate yourself how to analyze the market by yourself. This is going to be really helpful. You can also match this against your own analysis if you are looking to trade by yourself. This is extremely helpful for beginners, for already people with medium experience in trading, and even for people who are actually proficient in trading. This will also be helpful because again, you can match your own analysis against the analysis of this tool. So check it out. I appreciate you for watching. Be sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Reach out to me if you need help installing this, but it's really simple. Reach out to me on Telegram at NTrade_pro. I appreciate you. Links are in the description below, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.